Look on the side of this barn. That's pretty too. Look on the side of this barn. Pretty neat murals. Right across the street from the Bison Corral gift shop, we have a herd of buffalo grazing on the hill. This guy's just blowing his horn, welcoming you to town. Ooh, a covered bridge. Weight limit 13 tons. Height 5. Oh man, found a covered bridge. Weight limit 13 tons, 7 foot 5 inches. Old wooden bridge. Alright, we got the green light. I hope she doesn't come out and scare us. We're going under the Horseshoe curve here in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Alright, now we're going to head back. Wait for the green light. Come on, green light. All right, we got the green. "13 foot 6 inches. Horseshoe Curve, National Historic Landmark. Hey everybody, this is Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm at the world famous Horseshoe Curve in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Well, there's two ways to get up to the curve. You can either hike it up all these stairs, or you can take the functional incline train. Straight up. Little info on the Horseshoe Curve on the main line of the Pennsylvania Railroad. Length of curve 2,375 feet. Degree of curvature 9 degrees. Central angle 222 degrees. Elevation at east end 1,594 feet. And the grade is 91 feet per mile. Or that could be 9 feet per mile. Oh, see one of the trains now heading around the curve. We need to start making our way up there. Horseshoe Curve, 1854. And the Horseshoe Curve has been placed on the National Registry of Historic Railroad Landmarks. 1854 to 2004. The first railroad to cross the Allegheny Mountains between Harrisburg and Pittsburgh, with a maximum grade of 1.87%. All right, we'll take a quick peek inside the visitor center here. A little information on building the curb. How it was done way back in the day of the 1800s with picks and shovels. Pictures back from the 1860s and 1870s to the 1880s on into today. It's a piece of railing from the curve that they replaced. And different sounds of trains here. You can just hit the buttons here. Hear different sounds of the trains. Good little gift store here. As usual, books on trains, magazines, hats, t-shirts. No more things that you would see at a gift store. Well, we're gonna do the stairs. And there's where he started. Oh, by the way, that was 197 steps we went up. Around the curve. Nice little park over here. Helper engines back around the curve. Back in 1955, this GP9 Pennsylvania 7048 was ordered from the GM Electromotive Division. On the Norfolk Southern SD40 ESs usually come in pairs and often on both ends of a long freight train going up the hill. Well, since the curve was becoming a tourist attraction, they started building trackside buildings. And back in 1879, they made one, as you see right here, and that's modeled after a Swiss cottage. Oh, we got a double here. One on the inside over here, and then one coming over here on the outside. just missed it. We're gonna have to walk down the 197 stairs. And down we go. Here's your daily rates. Well, we saw 3 trains today. We caught the tail end of one freight train, and then at the same time we had a coal train on the outside and a tanker train on the inside, both from Norfolk Southern, which was pretty neat to see. There was a lot of people here. Wasn't too fun climbing up the 197 stairs, but I missed the trolley going up, and then I missed it going down. So then I had to walk back down, which wasn't very bad. But I've always wanted to come out here to Horseshoe Curve in Altoona, Pennsylvania. I was going to fly my drone, and they said you can fly your drone, but you need to call the Martinsburg Airport and give them all the details. So you can fly your drone, you just need to call the airport and I guess give them times and days and all that stuff you want to fly. So, all right. And on that note, traveler out.